Hi, welcome to online tutorial video from JCVRO Labs. This tutorial video is related to how to interface 16x2 LCD with ESP32 by ESP-IDF using VS Code. Now in this tutorial we see how to interface 16x2 LCD with ESP32 using ESP-IDF. So this is our hardware setup. This is ESP32 and this is 16x2 LCD. We also provide online training and do industrial and freelancing project based on embedded system, Android app development, Matlab, LabVIEW. If you have any requirement, then you can contact us through website www.jcvrolabs.org, or you can mail us at info@jcvrolabs.org. This is our hardware. This is ESP32 and this is 16x2 LCD. Now this is connections which is required to interface 16x2 LCD in with ESP32. This is VSS is ground and VDD is connected to +5 volt and V0 is also ground. RS is connected to digital pin 33 and RW is connected to D5 and E is connected to D19 and D0 is connected to D12 and D1 is connected to D13, so on. This is D7 is connected to D32 and anode providing +5 volt externally and cathode is ground. This is ground. So let's start how to program in VS Code. So I assume you already installed, set up everything ESP-IDF in your computer. So now you can see here, this is our directory my underscore LCD. So this is, now you can see here I'm going to that folder where I get pull my ESP-IDF examples. So I'm going to here JCVRO folder and this is I get pull here ESP-IDF and here examples. I'm going to get started and copy these all files and paste it in your project folder here. Now you can see here, this is CMAG list edited as this is my underscore LCD. Save it and go in main here and delete this source file here and create a new text document and open it here and save as LCD .c and save it. Now delete text file, shift deleted. Here and edit CMAG list here as a LCD.c. Save it. Okay. Now here close this and open your VS Code here you can see, and go to open folder here and select your folder where you created. I created this folder here, my LCD. So open it. Okay, and go to your lcd.c and include header files. Before programming here, first you can see how to interface 16 cross to LCD with ESP32 and how to connections here. So I am writing here connections pins, LCD pins, and ESP32 pins. Now VSS is connected to ground and LCD pins VDD is connected to plus 5 volt and E is connected to ground. Here you can see RS is connected, V0 is connected to ground, RS is connected to 30 digital pin 33 ESP32, and LCD pin RW is connected to digital pin 5, and LCD pins E is connected to ESP32 pins 19. This is all connections. This is LCD pins and this is ESP32 pins. This is LCD pins and this is ESP32 pins. You can see here digital pin D0 data pin D0 is connected to digital pin 12 and so on. Anode is connected to plus 5 volt and cathode is connected to ground. Now move to header files. Now this is required header files which is required in this program. So now declare some function for LCD. So first is void LCD underscore init declaration, void LCD underscore command unsigned char, and second is void LCD, this is LCD underscore data, and second is void LCD underscore decode, unsigned char, and last is void LCD underscore string unsigned character pointer. This is now int LCD underscore pins. This is a integer array which is required 3 elements inside this, and now assigning values LCD pins at 12, 13, 14, 18, 25. These are pins of ESP32 12, 13, 14, 18, 25, because these all pins are required. So here 25 and 26, 27, 32, 33 and 5 and 19. Okay, now unsigned character, I am consider a character array and print this message on 16x2 LCD. So welcome to JCVRO. This message is printing on, this message will print on 16x2 LCD. And main function, so how to write main function in ESP-IDF? Void app underscore main and void, here this is okay. Now go to definition of this LCD underscore init. This is define this function here. Okay, so first initialize all pins of, so initialize pins for int I equal to 0, I less than 11, I plus plus. Now GPIO underscore pad underscore select GPIO and providing these LCD pins. So now select pin numbers when it is in I equal to 0, LCD pins 0 means in a select pin number 12. This is 0, 1, 2 on LCD pins 0, it is 12, it will be right here 12, and 12 pin are selected on I equal to 0, and set the direction of this pin as a output, as a input. Here we consider as a output direction. So what is the built-in function? GPIO underscore set underscore dir direction LCD underscore pins pin numbers, this providing, and second argument is GPIO underscore mod underscore output. Okay, here. Now closing for loop and now initialize LCD pins. So LCD underscore command, this is functions we will discuss later next, and 0x38 LCD underscore command providing 0x01 LCD underscore command providing 0x0 E LCD underscore command, and this is we providing 0x38 hexadecimal command. This is for configure the LCD in 8-bit mode and 2 line 5 cross 7 graph. So this is for configure LCD in 8-bit mode, and 01 for clear display screen, clear display screen, and 0x0E is display cursor on and display on, and this is 80 for set cursor position to first line at first column, set cursor to now this is LCD underscore init function. Now second function definition is void. This is the code function. We take the command or any characters here and providing this function how to decode this code. We take unsigned char temp variable and for int This is the decode, how to decode this, providing this command and character. Now second function is void lcd underscore command unsigned char command, providing command. Define it here. First we call decode function lcd underscore decode and providing this command to this here. Now here you can see this is rs pin. Rs pin is set to 0 because this is command function. Rs pin is set to 0, rw pin is set to 0 or low, and e is set to 1 means high. And now here providing a 10 millisecond delay and and set to GPIO set level LCD underscore pins number 10 because this is LCD E pins set to 0 and providing 10 millisecond delay. Okay, and now this function is completed. Move to another function void LCD underscore data unsigned char data and define it. Now here you can see this is data function lcd underscore data and providing data this as an argument, and this is calling lcd underscore decode data, and here rs is high, rw is low, and e is high for the data, and providing delay for 10 millisecond, and LCD pin E is low and providing 10 millisecond delay. Now last function is, this is a function LCD under string unsigned character pointer P, and now in this function in while loop pointer P not equal to until /0, and LCD calling the function LCD underscore data and providing this argument pointer P, and P is equal to P plus 1. Now calling in main function app underscore main for the moving print print the message code is started and in while loop infinite loop calling the lcd underscore init function. Now and printf here printing message on lcd. Okay, now this is complete code. And okay, this is our hardware, and now I'm going to build this. How to build? Go in view and come on, this is build your project. Now starting. Now build is successfully, and now you can see here this is device port. Select device port COM5 because my ESP32 is connected to COM5. And now this is flash, so go in your flash. Now this is flashing here, you can see here this is flashing. Flash is done. And how to monitor this is okay. Code is going to in while loop, code is running. Okay, and I am saying that now you can see this is our 16x2 LCD. Message is displaying on our 16x2 LCD. So this is all about everything, how to interface ESP 16x2 LCD with the ESP32 using VS Code by the programming ESP-IDF. Now we also provide online training and do industrial and freelancing project based on embedded system, Android app development, Matlab, LabVIEW. If you have any requirement, then you can contact us through our website www.jcvrolabs.org, or you can mail us info@jcvrolabs.org. Thank you very much.